Cool, another awesome waterfall. Look at that. Morning. So, early start. So it's just gone 5:10 and we're on our way to Lorne. So it's been raining all night, absolutely torrential, but hopefully it'll be stopped by the time I get down to Lorne. And then yeah, we'll kick into an actual marathon. So 42k in the rainforest. Yeah, looking forward to it. Just here, right near the start line. I think we end up running up that big hill to that lookout. Okay, time to get myself changed and get ready to race. So, absolute rookie mistake. Went wrong on the course, and you're going about 15 minutes up the river, turning around, coming back, going back. Totally lost. Oh man. Oh, something's got in my eye. Oh shit. Yeah, bloody bug in my eye. Anyway, so back onto it. Bloody nice course there. Have a look at that front. Very nice. Okay, let's get moving. Cool. So back on track. I think I'm back in second. I was in first. So I work out. I reckon I lost just over 10 minutes. So yeah, the other guy probably gone, but it's a long race and we're only 9.5k in, so yeah, let's see where we get to. Cool, very nice waterfall, very pretty here. Cool, it's going well. I think I'm 12 or 13k in, a few more hills, next picnic site, which is the next aid station, probably about half a k. Well, it's pretty humid, but very nice single track. Look at that. And I think 13. I'm still in a second 6:54. Somewhere. No idea where first is, and third passes me every now and again when I take a selfie. Cool, okay, let's crack on. Cool, so just past the aid station, a place called, I think we're at Wonderfalls or something. So on that way to the turnaround point, so still got about 10k to go to get there. But yeah, it's beautiful. Feeling alright, I mean it's only 15k in. So, you know, what's that, third of the way there? And I think it's uphill most of the way there and then downhill most of the way back. Awesome, alright, let's carry on. Another awesome waterfall. Look at that. Wow, very nice. Pretty hot and humid here today, but woo, cracking on, love it. Such a nice place to run, absolutely gorgeous. Just up near Lorne in the rainforest. So if you're ever down this way, this is Henderson's Fall, I think, this one. I'll make my way back out through all the ferns and across the bridge. So just working our way through this little canyon bit, which is pretty cool. Awesome. Under a big bloody rock. And climb out. That's where we just come from. That little hole. Okay, so Phantom Falls. Wow. So cool. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're cool, so just about to cross another creek. have a look, phone away before I do it. But there's, I reckon, I've probably been across maybe 15 of these already. So I think there's about 20 overall. So cool. And 22k in. So should be another couple of k to the aid station. So just at another waterfall. You can see behind me. Awesome. It's very, very nice. But just have to climb across some of these logs behind us as well. And God, yeah, it's non-stop. Crazy. Cool. So just through the 23k aid station. I've actually done 25k because I went wrong. So
lap 25.
There we go.
10:55.
Cool. So lots of downhill now, but lots of those river crossings again. Head back to Shield Falls picnic ground, and then up to Calamina Falls. So of course, 19k. Cool. Yeah, we got this. Ooh, 31k in, and nearly at the top of a big hill. I mean, you can see it behind. Well, we've been going for maybe a k. Well, then top here, down to the aid station, and then run to another waterfall. So yeah, not feeling too bad actually. This hill's a bit of a struggle, but overall now it's downhill, 3k to the picnic ground. Yeah, feeling okay. Legs are starting to get a little bit tired, but there we go, 30, yeah, nearly 32k. Cool, okay. So coming towards the finish, I've got crap on my face. Nearly done, just come up a killer of a hill. Thought I was up it, and look at that in front. I don't know whether you can see it, just doesn't look too steep, but it just disappears up the hill. Bugger. Oh well. 5k to go. Hey, we got this. I know I can do 5k, so okay. Bit of a hike up the hill. Got the old walking poles. Let's get going. So there we go, second place overall. So yeah, very happy with that. The race itself actually didn't turn out to be the 42k, the full marathon. Unfortunately, one of the marshals just right near the end sent us the wrong way. So I mean, it happened to all of us, so it ended up being an actual fair race. But yeah, he sent us up this big hill instead of down another river to another waterfall, which is a bit of a shame, but oh well, that's how it goes. I mean, I treated it really as a bit of a training run for my ultra race in Tassie. So for that, yeah, very good training. 5 hours 20, so it's a very difficult course. I mean, going up the creek, there was not a huge amount of running that you can actually do, because you're sort of jumping over rocks and going over logs and watching your feet on sharp rocks, crossing all the creeks. But yeah, really fun race. Probably do it again next year. Okay, catch you later.